About old Charles over there.
Hey,
you know where his woman at?
It's the best of my boy, man.
He's the best of my boy.
It's like M&M. They melt in your mouth, not in your hands. It's like the Colonel said.
Now you told me you know where that man woman was. Now you gonna charge him $10 a day. You know.
I do.
Huh?
It gonna cost him $10 to
It gonna
find out
cost
where she at.
you know what shit? He gonna cost him $10. Charles. That man said it gonna cost you $10 a day. He gonna tell you where your gal at.
I don't need my gal. I had it last night.
Yeah, see, you had it last night, but you was the second person. I was the first.
Like for last, you stayed with me for 36 hours. So what's the difference?
Damn.
That's all she done though, dog, was lay.
I had it in her mouth. I had it in her mouth.
Hey, and then you got to say, damn, look at the fleas on Fluffy. I got to go from here, boy. That's
all right, man.
my boy signing out.
New was around 80.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all dialing in and giving me a little bit more of your time. Listen, I stopped up to my partner's shop. I told y'all guys I go from around and around and around, and most of the time they come to me. This is my man, Mr. Marcus here, man. I've been knowing him a good little bit, man. One hell of a mechanic, huh? One of the best. I'm telling you. I'm willing to tell you that. He's one of the best. And this is my partner. There you go. Now, I'm up here at his place, these guys' place, and Marcus is putting an injector in a big 5.3 Vortex engine, let us see, 1500 4x4 Chevy. What year is this?
2000.
2000. Now, he's going back with the injector, but the steps are not too bad, but they bad enough. First off, you want to take that pressure off the fuel line.
Yep.
You loosen the gas cap, and then you got a pressure release valve on most vehicles where you can just press down on. It's like a little, it looks like a little car valve.
Schrader valve.
Right there.
Right here.
Schrader valve.
Yep.
I like to say basketball valve. Right there.
That's
You take
it,
that
right
pressure off of it. That lets that gas out. And you want to do that. That's very important, man, because if you don't take that pressure off, you're going to get a bath of some sort. And, of course, Mr. Marcus got his glasses on.
Yep.
And you pick the rail up. You got two bolts here and there. You pull the rail up. You make sure you got grease around the O-rings of the injector. This right here is an injector clip. Pop the injector up, pop it in, put your clip on, slide the injector rail back down. Make sure you get some grease around both O-rings, the one that's going into the head and the one that's going up into the rail. Okay? That's the steps in replacing an injector on
A 2000 Chevy Silverado.
2000 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 Vortex engine.
Yep.
Okay, guys, that's it, man. It wasn't too much to it, all right? It's enough because he knows how to go through these steps and he can make it look real easy. But for someone that ain't never done it, he needs to really pay attention to the steps that I just gave you. Open your gas cap. Take the pressure off the injector rail by pressing that valve in. It looks like a little old tire valve. And then you put oil around your O-rings that goes up into the injector. You pop that bad boy up in there like that. Then you pop it back down where it goes in the head. You put your injector clip on it.
Yep.
You bolt it back down. And hopefully you have a successful job here, okay? That's how you replace the injector on a 2000 Silverado 1500 pickup truck. Hey, man, if y'all think this was, I know it was helpful, man. It was easy. It was simple because we made it simple because we know what we're doing. So follow those steps. Please hit that subscribe button. Please share the video and give me a thumbs up. Till next time.